The channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well. I do drop new content on this channel every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into this video. It is Thursday, March 18th, and I want to talk about Sundial Growers, ticker symbol SNDL. And yesterday they did release their fourth quarter earnings, and I really wanted to talk about that today, give my overall opinion and just some overall takeaways from their quarter four results that they did announce yesterday. Again, this morning there was a webcast where they did discuss that as well. So we'll go ahead and get right into it. So like I said, you guys, if you are familiar with Sundial Growers, Canadian-based cannabis company, and they've got a lot of things going on within the company. Business metrics are starting to slowly improve, and I do remain bullish on Sundial Growers. So first and foremost, you guys, let's talk about the financial results. If we take a look at this, full year, fourth quarter 2020 financial and operational highlights, right? So the firm Sundial, they did announce a net loss of 64.1 million Canadian, but that was actually an improvement on the quarter to quarter and year over year financials. And essentially these compared to losses that were 71 million and 145 million. So 64.1 million is definitely less than before. They did have a cannabis revenue of almost 14 million Canadian, and that was actually up 8%, but down more than 5% on the year. And analysts estimated revenue of 12.1 million Canadian. Also, the results did show adjusted earnings, actually before the interest and taxes and whatnot, from continuing operations of a loss of 5.6 million Canadian in quarter four. And the firm posted a loss of, in quarter three, a loss of 4.4 million. So definitely more of a loss in quarter four as far as adjusted earnings go. But Sundial did say it has an unrestricted cash balance of approximately $719 million Canadian as of this week. And it's obviously because the company has, I mean, it doesn't surprise, I guess, a lot of investors, including myself, that the company has been able to, raise a lot of money in equity markets. And they recently tapped the market on February 2nd for 75 million, and that added another 600 million Canadian. So they do have a lot of money, you guys, on hand as far as cash goes. And I really think Sundial, you guys, they do remain unprofitable, and a lot of people, a lot of investors are aware of that. But if you think about how far they have come, you guys, they were close to being bankrupt. They were close to being delisted from the NASDAQ. And now here we are releasing their fourth quarter results from 2020. And I really see light at the end of the tunnel. Honestly, the number of pot stocks that are like doing better essentially right now than Sundial is just really, I would say, Tilray. But even then, it's pretty close. I think Sundial has been actually one of the hottest stocks in 2021 so far, even on Robinhood. It's like top 5 in stocks overall. And so also, Sundial Growers CEO Zach George did say that the company was facing some problems, and he admitted to it in the last 2 quarters from the repositioning of its cultivation operations. And again, they've been making these changes and trying to meet the changes in consumer trends and preferences as well. And I've said in previous videos that SNDL is really moving on from the wholesale side into the branded retail side, and that is what's really kind of showing the retail sales improving in the fourth quarter compared to the third quarter. But again, I think Sundial still has a long way to go in regards to that. But the good news, you guys, for Sundial in relation to the financials overall, that its cost reductions and the business metrics, the changes that they're making to that side are definitely paying off, okay? General and administrative costs in full year 2020 did actually decline 18% over the year. And total sales, marketing, and the general and administrative costs rose 6% quarter over quarter. And this is due to increasing sales and marketing because they are moving to the retail side of the business. Now, in relation to moving forward with SNDL, again, very long-term hold for me. I've always said this in regards to SNDL. I do like the strategic capital partnership that was announced last week with Sunstream Bancorp, and the two companies will work together to invest in cannabis companies in Canada and internationally. Also, you guys, the budding cannabis market in North America, Canada, USA, Mexico just passed a bill for approval of recreational cannabis in Mexico. So I think a lot of big things on the way. I think Sundial, for initially when it first started popping up, was had to do with a lot of people on social media and Reddit discussing the stock and whatnot. But I think now we're starting to see a solid leveling out. Financials are improving, business metrics are improving, and I think Sundial is going to continue to be a long-term hold for myself. I think after the earnings were announced, we saw a lot of people pull some profits today, so that would explain probably, in my opinion, the reason this stock is down today. But again, long-term hold, remain extremely bullish long-term on Sundial. The financials, I think, show positivity, in my opinion. So with all that being said, you guys, let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about SNDL. Let me know how you guys feel about the financials from Q4. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and please, guys, drop a like on this video. As always, you guys have a great day.